Welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
Now, before I show off my car, I would like to take a quick moment and briefly talk about the Boss 302 and its history so the viewers can get a better understanding on why I love this car so much and how it has become the most iconic pony car in America. The pony car segment in the car industry was started by none other than the Ford Mustang in 1964. But soon after, General Motors came out with their own pony car, the Chevy Camaro, which had more powerful engine and was the biggest threat to the Mustang at the time. Ford answered right back by developing the Boss 302, which went on to win the 1970s Trans Am series, driven by the legendary race car driver Parnelli Jones, leaving the Camaros in the dust. Fast forward a few decades, Ford decided to bring back the Boss once again for the year 2012 and 2013. Ford had to somehow come up with a plan to make the Boss unique from the rest of the Mustangs in the lineup while keeping the cost relatively affordable. So they decided to utilize the already existing Coyote motor found in the Mustang GTs. Ford has made quite a lot of modifications, such as a larger Boss-specific intake manifold, forged pistons, CNC heads, higher lift cams, larger radiator, oil cooler, Torsen limited slip differential, finned aluminum differential cover for better cooling, adjustable struts, Brembo brakes, reinforced brake lines, lightweight wheels, quad exhaust with side exhaust tips, and much more. Here is my 2013 Boss 302. I love the unique stripes that carried over from the original Boss to the blacked out grille and the bright yellow paint. And of course, you can't mistake it for anything else because it says Boss 302 on the side, just like the original. Now, I've done a few modifications to the exterior, like this front splitter, which helps keep the car stable at higher speeds and also makes the front end look a bit more aggressive in my opinion. As for other styling touches, I vinyl wrapped the roof and the side skirts black to give the side profile a sleeker look. Another cool feature about the Boss 302 is that the front fog light deletes are designed to be removed for better airflow. I have a set of Toyo R888R competition tires all around in 275 35 19s up front and 305 30 19s in the rear. Unfortunately, there is nothing really special about the Boss 302's interior compared to other Mustangs in this model year, but there are a few minor differences, such as the Boss comes with the Alcantara steering wheel for better grip, these Recaro bucket seats, which by far is one of the best factory seats I've ever seen on any vehicle within this price range. I've added the 4-point Corbu harness mounted on Ford Racing harness bar. Also comes with the Boss specific shift knob, and the gauge cluster shows all the different functions from fuel economy, oil temperature, plus the racetrack apps, which allows you to activate the launch control and measure your 0 to 60 time, quarter mile time, and lap times. I've also added this N gauge by HP tuners to give me the ability to upload tunes into my car and perform diagnostics and keep an eye on how my car is running. You get a couple of cup holders, and the storage space is pretty decent. You get this very deep center console. It has a glove box and some map pockets. Some people say they can't fit anything in the Mustang, but they don't realize that the rear seats can be folded down for more trunk space. Now let's move on to the engine bay. The Boss comes equipped with the strut tower bar to help keep the body more rigid during hard cornering. Although the Boss comes with the adjustable shock dampening feature from the factory, I've replaced it with the 30-way adjustable coilovers, which drastically improve the car's behavior around the corners, the heart of the beast. This Roadrunner V8 engine was developed to put out 444 horsepower with the ability to rev all the way up to 7,500 RPM. I've added the Paxton centrifugal supercharger with all the supporting mods, and the American Racing header for better exhaust flow. With this combination, I was able to make about 750 plus horsepower to the crank at 8200 RPM. Thank you, Scotty, once again for giving me the opportunity to show off my car on your channel. And thanks everyone for watching.
Well, that was this week's video, and to have your car mod shown on my channel here, check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.